Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. As you can see, we still have the 1964 split screen in that we were doing the brakes on last week. I shall show you the progress. I finished off the dual master cylinder upgrade and obviously finished all the pipe work. That's all clamped in ready. At the back, I've put new pipes in, new cylinder, shoes, handbrake cables were new, so we've left them alone. They're all adjusted up and ready to go. Just waiting on the front disc kit really. They're made to order, so you have to wait a week or so to get them done. It'd be nice to get them in and get the brakes done and finished and take it down the road and give it a test drive. We've also still got these bay windows for braking. We've got the late bay here, the front's gone now. That's now at Rivo Hub as part of their display down there. They're like a cars and coffee place down in Poole. Check them out on their Insta. They've got a YouTube channel and also a TikTok. So yeah, this one here we're still braking. There's still some bits and bobs left. We've still got the white 79, what's left of the 69, the 77 you can see over there, the 89 T25 on its side, the 86 which is the blue one down there, and this 1982. I'm still chipping away this week. Hopefully I'm going to move this back end and I'm going to get rid of the rest of this 1971 Beetle. I'm going to put the pan up for sale. The floor pan's got the ID and logbook, so it'll be great for a beach buggy or a Chesil Speedster. And just keep clearing space really to get some the new stock in. I've still got this 77. I won't be getting rid of this. It's so full of crap, technical term, as you can see. So that will be staying here until I can find somewhere to load it all back in. Here's one of my many side projects I have on the go. The suspension of a 912 Porsche. Gavin at South Coast Customs is restoring the bodywork and putting new pans and doing all the repairs. It had a lot of rust. It's a Californian car. But had a lot of rust in weird places like under the bonnet, floor plans, and loads of like nooks and crannies that Porsches don't really get rust in normally. This had rust in, but the actual bodywork's pretty good. So the guy Ed's given me the suspension to blow apart. That's what I've been doing. I've taken all the bushes out of here, pressed all the bearings out. I'm very impressed because I've never done 912 suspension before. It's more like a modern car than a Beetle or a split screen or a Bay than a Volkswagen in general. Like the bearings are not tapered. They're like, I would say like a Mark IV Golf, like a modern bearing that a modern car has. It has disc brakes all round. It's very advanced for 1969, way ahead of its time. So the plan is obviously to strip it all down. The arms, I've got a mask up for blasting. They're going to be powder coated, as are the drive shaft back plates, because it's got handbrake inside the disc, so it's got a separate handbrake rather than one brake that does foot brake and handbrake. All these other parts like the hubs etc. are going to go to the plating shop and be zinc plated. The bolts will be plated. There'll be new CV joints. But we're trying to use what we can because the Porsche stuff, A, it's expensive, B, the quality of the original stuff is so superior than the new stuff you can buy. So that's one of our many side projects that we have on the go, as well as everything else. In this business, you've got to do whatever you can to keep the money going in, but you normally have sort of 5 or 6 projects going at the time. But there we go. Thanks for watching. See you next week.